సార్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. సార్ మేము జున్నా సోలార్ నుంచి వచ్చాము సార్. అది ఎంఎన్ఆర్ఈ సబ్సిడీ గురించి అలాగే కంపెనీ గురించి కొంచెం ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇస్తారా సార్?
Okay, as far as the solar installation concerned, it is nice. They have worked within 24 hours. They have done the job meticulously. I have got a 2 kilowatt installed as such. With regard to the working part of it, till today, on average daily it is coming around 7 kilowatts. And as of now, I don't think I have any problem with it. The powerable part of it, on average I was earlier paying about 500 to 550 rupees. Now I am paying on average from 65 to 100 rupees is the maximum. That is mostly statutory charges are being paid. With regard to the subsidy, since it is a government part of it, it is not that easy to get the subsidy, but their follow-up has made it quite easy. As a matter of fact, they have followed everything right from the beginning to the end. Though it has taken about 2 months' time, they have done everything. It is nice. Subsidy is not that easy. Though people will say many things about government giving subsidy, getting subsidy has its own teething troubles. And it is known how government works when giving funds to the people, customers. They are not that bothered about the customer. They would like to have their own say in these things. It's really unfortunate, but in spite of the problems, I think these people have done a wonderful job. That's the only thing I can say. The capacity is 2 kilowatts, as I told. About daily it is coming average, as I have told, about 7-8 kilowatts. The basic 8 units now. 7.5 to 8 units per day it is coming. During the winter part of it, when it is cloudy, it is around 6 is what I was getting it out. The working nature of these people is very good. They are quite cooperative, as a matter of fact. As and when I was actually calling them for follow-up with regard to the subsidy part of it, they have done a very good job. And I thank Junna Solar with regard to their installation work, etc.